1995 Chevy 1500 step side. You don't see these a lot. They're rare. As you guys can see, he's had it for a long time. He's restoring it, so he brought it to us. We put a high flow catalytic converter on it for him. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a FLOWMASTER Delta 40. And then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and there. Into 4-inch tips. There and there. Where's the box for the FLOWMASTER? There's the part number 494300402. 9430402 on this beautiful truck. Oh, it sounds good. Delta Flow 40 series FLOWMASTER. Sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Go ahead and brack it up. I like it. It sounds good.